In situations where you are riding in a bus and you are involved in a car accident, the at-fault party is obviously always the primary responsible party. However, if the bus is found to be negligent or responsible in any way, the driver of the bus can be found liable, and in turn, the bus company that the driver is working for can also be responsible in that situation. Similarly, if you are in an accident with a semi-truck, the driver of the semi-truck and his employer and potentially the owner, if it's different, of the semi-truck, are all going to be responsible for an accident caused by that semi-truck.